Hey everyone! Want to turn AI upscaling on or off on your YouTube videos? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to find this setting and how to control it in just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, click on your channel icon in the top right corner. Now, click on YouTube Studio. From here, go to Settings in the bottom left. Click on Channel. Next, open Advanced Settings. Scroll down until you see Video Quality Enhancements. Here, you can uncheck the options to disable AI upscaling or check them to enable it, depending on what you want. Once you're done, click Save. That's it. AI upscaling is now turned on or off on your videos. And that's how you easily control AI upscaling on YouTube. If this tutorial helped you, like the video, subscribe for more quick YouTube tips, and I'll see you in the next one.